Hey guys, how to upload high quality video on Instagram? Good question, because let's be honest, nothing hurts more than spending hours editing a crisp 4K video only for Instagram to crush it down into blurry 240p mush. The thing is, Instagram loves compression. It eats bitrate like a black hole. But there's a way to fight back and upload videos in max quality so they can look clean, cinematic, and professional. So, why your videos lose quality? Before we fix it, you gotta know why it happens, so let's diagnose it. Instagram compresses everything to save server space plus optimize load speed. Wrong aspect ratio or bitrate triggers heavier compression. Uploading on a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data makes Insta auto reduce quality. Editing apps that re-export at low bitrate ruin the video before upload. So let's now fix it once and for all. Step 1. Shoot and export correctly. If your video's destiny starts at export, if your export settings sucks, Instagram can't save you. So the ideal export setting, right? Make sure to upload at high quality, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit profile at the bottom right. Click the 3 bars at the top or 3 lines at the top right, and you're gonna see upload. Not here. Media quality. Yeah. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just turn on upload at highest quality. Always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. Right? The ideal 1080 by 1920 for reels or stories, or 1080 by 1080, 1350 by 1080 for feed. And the frame rate 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Don't upload 24 FPS if you can avoid it, and Insta hates it. And the bitrate between 8 or 12 megabyte for 1080p. And the codec H.264 or MP4 container. Audio AAC 100 or 128 kilobytes. Right? So if you're using Premiere Pro, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve, the format should be H.264 preset match source, high bitrate, render at maximum depth, use maximum render quality. Avoid exporting the same clip multiple times. Each render kills detail. Step 2. Turn on upload at highest quality, which we talked about just now. So go to the profile menu, settings and privacy, and data usage and media quality. Toggle upload at highest quality. All right. This forces Instagram to use less compression when uploading your videos, even on mobile data. Now, what you're gonna do? Upload over strong Wi-Fi. Sounds obvious, but this matters. If your internet is weak, Instagram secretly downscales your upload in real time. So yeah, don't post that masterpiece on Starbucks Wi-Fi. Use a stable home connection. Step 4. Avoid sending through WhatsApp or Telegram. Every time you transfer a video through messaging apps, they compress it into digital oatmeal. Use instead AirDrop on Mac or iPhone, Google Drive, Dropbox. Send anywhere. USB cable transfer. Keep that source file clean. Step 5. Mind the format you're uploading. For reels and stories, it should be 9 by 16, right? 1080 by 1920 as a quality. And the feed post should be 4 by 5 ratio, right? And the landscape should be 16 by 9, right? And each one has to be at high quality or at the highest quality. If you upload square or vertical content in the wrong format, Insta stretches or resize it. And that's when compression hits hardest. Step 6. Upload directly from the app. Use the Instagram app itself, not the third-party scheduler or desktop uploader. Most third-party tools re-encode the video before it hits Instagram. If you're posting from PC, use Meta Creator Studio or Business Suite, right? Since those maintain native quality. Step 7. Color and lighting hacks. Compression messes up dark or low contrast footage the most. Fix that by increasing brightness slightly before export, avoiding deep shadows or dark filters. Keep motion smooth, less pixel breakup. The goal is clarity. The cleaner your image, the less visible the compression, right? For absolute perfectionist, this is for you. If you're really serious about uploading MP4, not MOV, stick to 8-bit color. 10-bit sometimes gets mangled. Avoid slow motion. Insta re-renders those badly. Cap your videos under 200 megabytes for fastest, safest uploads, right? So TLDR, if you want ultra sharp reels or feed, do this. Export at 1080p, 60 frame or 60 fps. Enable upload the highest quality, as we mentioned before. Upload over Wi-Fi, strong Wi-Fi. Use correct aspect ratio, and then you're golden. You'll instantly notice the crisp Pro Creator look, smooth gradients, clear edges, and zero blur. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.